Estate planning mom here, Krista Hermance. So, how long does probate court actually take? Remember, probate court is the process that when somebody passes away, the assets that they own in their name individually have to be distributed to their heirs and beneficiaries. Bills have to get paid. This is what we call probate court. So in California, which is where I practice, the times really are very dependent upon the location of where the probate happens. And so what we see with the cases in surrounding counties around us is anywhere from 9 months to 2 years. So it's a really long time to have to go through probate court. A lot of times people think it's this very easy process, that things just get transferred. It is not that case. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of paperwork. There's notices that have to go out to heirs, beneficiaries, creditors, and it's very intensive in that aspect. One of the other things is that when you actually start the probate proceeding, and the initial petition is filed for probate, then once it gets on calendar is really dependent on what the caseload is for the court system. And so if the court system, it has a lot of cases, it could take 1 month to get on calendar, or in some other counties that we've seen, it could take 4 to 6 months to just start the initial hearing. And so that's before even any of the stuff can actually start, where these letters are issued giving the person that's the administrator the ability to then start administering the estate. And so starting then, once that initial court hearing happens, that's when that clock starts ticking. And so then you have this creditor's waiting period, which is 4 months in the state of California. And then it's really just a matter of gathering the assets. If there's a sale that has to be done, I've seen a lot of delays recently because there's been so many probates. The probate referees who will look at the properties or the assets, determine values, that's been taking a long time to get it. So there's really just all of these things. In addition to that, that 9 month to 2 year process is assuming there's no issues when it comes to somebody contesting the validity of a will, or heirs or beneficiaries saying, I was cut out of the will. If there's capacity issues, looking at that. So this isn't even in taking into account that if there's contested any type of somebody contesting something, then that even makes it even longer, right? I've seen some cases where I've had colleagues or even clients where they've had cases that have lasted up to 5 years, because it's just continually going back to court and having to go through all of these different procedures. So there is a way to avoid probate court by having the proper estate plan done. This can all be avoided. If you need help trying to figure out what that looks like, please make sure to give us a call or contact us to figure out, how does your family avoid probate court, right? What are the ways to be able to do that? Because it is possible to prevent all of this. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.